how to synchronize the video portion to the audio portion of the clip inside Davinci Resolve 17 and keep the end of that clip in one fixed position, so I don't want to move what is on the right side of this clip. So first of all, right click on the clip and go to Retime Controls. Ctrl R is the hotkey. Okay, so speed change is mentioned here, and there is a modification in the video. There's a zoomed in portion, this one. Hold the Alt key and scroll up to zoom in and determine exactly where that change is. There. Alt and scroll down to zoom out, and to that point where the video is changing, I want to add a vertical line. So go to the down pointing arrow and add speed point. That one. So there my video is changing and the audio is modifying somewhere there. It's getting faster. Let's just preview that one. So from there. Okay, and I want to add another speed point somewhere outside there. Down pointing arrow, add speed point, and I want to keep that point fixed. So first of all, I will move with this one, the arrow selection mode. I will move this portion to the left to create a gap, that one, and move this one where my video is zooming in, move it to where my music is changing, to that one. Okay, and now move this one from the top portion. Notice this portion is red, so grab the top and move it closer. Okay, and now, although snapping is enabled, I cannot use this portion because that is snapping, but it's also trimming the clip. So undo with Ctrl Z, but instead notice not from the center but to the top. If I move it there, notice that one is changing the speed of the clip, so it's not trimming down anything. Oops, not that one, but that arrow, which modifies the speed, and that also snaps. Okay, so what I did, I slowed down the left portion of the clip, I sped up the right portion of the clip, I slowed down that one, and thus the end point is in the same position, it did not change, and I synchronized the video to the audio in one single point by changing the speed of the clip. If you don't like what you did, you can go to the down pointing arrow and reset clip. That will delete those two vertical lines, but I want it, so undo. Okay, and to hide these speed change lines, you can right click on it and Retime Controls. And now they are hidden.